Hi viewers, welcome to Inverse Dark ID News. Today headlines.
Pakistani border forces fled from their checkposts in Balochistan. India-China trade falls 7% after border clash. Don't meddle inter-Korean relations, says North Korea to US. Indian civilian killed 3 others wounded by Nepal's border guarding force. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh holds another review meet with CDS service chiefs.
Today news.
Pakistani border forces fled from their checkposts as violent protests erupted in Brabcha area of Balochistan. Reports from Balochistan said thousands of protesters pelted stones at Pakistani security forces on Wednesday, forcing them to flee their border posts. The protesters destroyed and torched military buildings during the protests, the Balochistan Post reported. The killing of a young woman allegedly by the members linked to the ruling party in Balochistan triggered widespread anger among the Baloch people since last week. The growing tension between India and China and the changing economic relations have also affected their bilateral trade. India's trade with mainland China and Hong Kong fell by 7% to $109.76 in FY 2019-20. This is the biggest decline in the last 7 years. Prior to this, India-China trade had registered a big decline of 10.5% in the financial year 2012-13. This indicates that the way anti-China sentiment has increased in the country in the last 1 year, it has also affected business. Much trade with the mainland of China is also done through Hong Kong. North Korea on Thursday warned the US not to meddle in inter-Korean relations if it wants to avoid experiencing an unspecified hair-raiser and hold November's presidential election smoothly. Kwon Yong-gun, Director General of the North Korean Foreign Ministry's American Affairs Department, made the remark after Washington voiced disappointment over Pyongyang's recent decision to cut off all communication lines with South Korea, reports Yonhap news agency. An Indian national was killed and 3 others were injured in a firing by Nepal police force along the border in Bihar's Sitamarhi district on Friday morning. The reason for the firing is being investigated. Nepal's Additional Inspector General of Police of the Armed Police Force Narayan Babu Thapa told news agency PTI that the incident occurred when a group of 25 to 30 Indians tried to enter Nepal from the Indo-Nepal border in Sarlahi district and attack the Nepalese security personnel at Narayanpur area of Parsa rural municipality. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on Friday held a meeting with Chief of Defense Staff General Bipin Rawat and the services chiefs to review the situation in eastern Ladakh, where the People's Liberation Army (PLA) has created a major military buildup along the line of actual control (LAC). This was the second meeting between the Defense Minister, CDS and service chiefs, Army Chief General Mukund Narawane, IAF Chief Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria and Navy Chief Admiral Karambir Singh, on the Ladakh situation within a week. The last meeting was held on June 8.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment. Subscribe to Inverse Dark and activate bell icon.